Hi guys, I'm Ramya Jain and welcome to the part 3 of the app which we were making, the in which there's a playing option and there's a stopwatch option. So we created the play option. See, it's going negative because I'm not doing it. And now let's make the stopwatch. So we have to design. Yeah, so there should be a label for the stopwatch, right? So that's why I'm putting it. And see, this is the button for start. See, I'm putting it as button stop watch. See, button stopwatch start. But see, in this the text will be start. And now the width is fine, everything is fine except the background color. I don't like it at all. So putting it to red or pink, pink is fine. Another button for reset. Reset. It should be reset written in it. Button reset. Button reset. Background color, changing it to this color here. Now I'm adding one more button for stop. So another button. See. So I'm just matching the Y position. So it's both are the same. So it's good. Button. It's the stopwatch and what it will be. So I'm increasing the size a lot. I'm doing it to 300. The width. And 300 height. I think the height is too much, so I'm decreasing it to 250. It's now okay. So changing the font size to 90. I'm doing it 100 only. Now I'm dragging another label in which it will be written stopwatch. So the text in it will be stopwatch. I'll make the font size to 50. I think it's too big. 50, so I'll make it 30. Yeah, 30 is fine. I'm increasing the width so it can fit in one line. 250 can be the width. Color to here. Its color will be see fine now. So we are done with the designing. So let's code now. So it's when button stopwatch. Wait, see the button stopwatch. It's button stopwatch. So when button stopwatch is clicked here see. When it's clicked, it is button stopwatch. So see now when it's clicked, the screen should be the screen study or the screen stopwatch. So the when the set screen to screen study. So in that when start button is clicked, see when start button is clicked, its ID was stopwatch start button stopwatch start, right? See, we'll just see button stopwatch start. It's not coming the full because it's way too long. See button stopwatch start click the see I told you in the last part that this is the score. So see it's so when the button is clicked, it should start. See, it should start over here. So for this we'll do this was X only no, so we have to change this. We can do it to any letter like I did it to R. See, R equals to 0 like we did here X equals to 0. See, now when button stopwatch start is clicked, it should be 1, 2, 3 like that. So it should be a time loop like we put it here. Time loop, see. It should be for every 1 second. So when 1 second is done, R equals to plus 1. Okay, so R equals to plus 1. See, the plus R plus 1. So it's like this. So, and the color will also change. So here we have to change the color also. So we have to we have to do it using set property. See, set property of button cube. No, set property of label stopwatch text color. See, text color. So some problem happened, so I'm just doing it again. So see, we were here, so we have to do set property to change the color. Set property of label blank, no, label stopwatch text color to we have to do it random, so we have to do that RGB thing like we did there. So this is the block. So random number. See, from math we have to open it. It's not opening. Yeah, it's open. So random number 0 to 255. 0 to 255, and again a random 0 to 255. The transparency will be 1.5. It's you can do it to any. So we have to set the number, set number for the stopwatch, right? So because see, this is the scope. Set number of label stopwatch R. See, the R is this, right? So that's, see now. See, I've done some mistake, that's why it's coming like that. 19 idea. That's why I had to do it opposite. So this should be click. So see now. See, it's coming, but the alignment is not right, so that's why. So this is the end of the video. I'll teach you the more in the next part, which is the last one. To finish it, please give this video a like and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.